Another day, another content na naman tayo dito guys. So dito guys, magana tayo dito. Magkasan.
The enemy is picking.
Kung papansin nyo, nag-cushion yung S3 guys. Buti na lang nagpalit siya ng lane guys. Nag-roam siya dito. Ito yung mga nangyari guys. Panoorin nyo guys.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Who else wants to challenge me?
Request backup!
Dito guys, nakita ko Luna yung Eudora. Kaya pinasok ko na dito guys. Muntik na ako dito mamatay guys oh. Buti lang may SS pa ako. First turtle guys. Dito guys, yun ako yung tank nila guys. Tapos nag-turtle ako. Yun nga lang, napauna yung retry ko guys. Yun, nakuha ni Yishin Shin dito guys.
How do you spell that? I'm everywhere! Double trouble!
Dito papatayin ko sana yung Eudora. Kaso yun pala, may clicker pa pala siya doon. Kaya yun, nakatakas pa. Second turtle na guys, di na nag-contest yung kalaban dito. Naka-pre turtle tayo dito guys.
Slain the turtle! Launch attack!
After ko mag-turtle test, bibigyan namin tong Melissa dito guys.
Your team destroyed a turret! Initiate retreat!
Dito nakita ko yung Yishin Shin, kaya yun. Ibigyan natin to guys, papasukin natin to right sa torre to guys. Biglang pumasok dito yung Melissa guys oh. So yun, na-double kill natin sila dito guys.
An enemy!
Next time, green.
Dito guys, mabibigyan ako ng Atlas dito. Grabe yung slow na ito eh. Oh, nesisan pa ako.
Who's back?
Launch killing spree!
Nimbus strike!
Dito guys, last turtle na to guys. Biglang pumasok yung Atlas dito guys oh. Buti na lang dito makaka-retry tayo dito guys. Although yun, dito tayo guys, napatay tayo ng kalaban dito guys. Pero nakuha natin yung turtle guys.
Launch attack!
Ito guys, nabita ko yung mash guys oh. Nakapag-conveyuan. Yun, patay.
It ain't outnumbering if it's just me.
Dito guys, mabibigyan natin yung Melissa dito guys.
Slain an enemy!
Tas dito guys, gusto tayong habulin ng Masha dito guys. Gusto atang bumawi itong kanina. Naboy talaga ako dito. Sige, abulin mo lang. Tipi-tipi ka sa akin. Patay ka na.
Slain!
Dito guys, pumasok na ako. Buti nakalis ako sa SS na Atlas. Nabibigyan ko pa dito yung YSS.
Outnumbering if it's just me.
Enemy has been slain!
Lord fight na guys, di na nag-contest yung kalaban dito guys. Librang Lord to. yun dito. Kala ko makamatay na ako. Buti nakanis pa ako dito guys. Dito pinasok ko yung ISS. Yun, patay.
Initiate retreat.
Bibigyan ko sana Melissa dito guys, pero pumasok yung Masha. Masha na lang binigyan ko dito guys.
An enemy
Next time, bring your help.
has been slain. Enemy has been slain.
Nimbus strike!
An enemy has been slain.
Good job.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
About to overturn the
Killing spree.
Last flash na to guys, dito naman tatapos yung laro guys. Nice G.
I'm everywhere!
Victory!
I see lots of prey.
So dito guys, nag-roger tayo pero ang dami kong error na nagawa dito guys. Panoorin niyo guys.
Reaches the battlefield. Smash them. Battlefield, all troops deployed. Launch attack. Launch attack. First blood. Ally has been slain.
You will also be cursed.
Bibigyan pa sa namin tong Harley dito guys. Oh.
Ally has been slain. Double kill. Request backup.
Dito kala ko kaya ko na yung amon. So yun, patay.
Ally has been slain. Shut down. Launch attack.
First turtle guys, nandito yung kalaban. Pero nakagaw ko pa dito guys. Oh. Pero yun, namatay tayo dito. Pero napatay ko rin yung boy nila dito guys.
An enemy has been slain. Has been enemy double kill.
Dito nakita ko low na yung 1 tamos kaya pinasok ko na dito guys. Nakakuha pa tayo din ng kill. Muntik na tayo nagkahamon. No? Bala pa ata tayong patayin. Pero yun, ito turtle na gaya dito guys. second turtle na to guys. Pero ito, wala tama sa mo dito guys kung nakita niyo. Kaya yun, error to guys. Kasi tumano sa likuran guys, kala ko kaya ko pang ma-retreat. Pero yun, nakuha ng kalaban guys. Error to yun. Sayang yan. Dito naman guys, error ulit tayo dito guys. Pinalagang ko guys kahit ano.
Also be cursed.
Wait na sanib siya dun sa SS niya guys. So yun, atay tayo dun. Ito pa guys, another error ulit guys. Pinalagan namin ito guys, pero sobrang hapdi niya ang tamos guys. Hindi napatay, sayang. Dito guys, biglang sumulpot yung amon guys, oh. Sasabihan tuloy tayo dito lang si Lena na kayo marunong.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Naglag pa nga tayo dun guys, oh.
The enemy has
Nakuha tuloy na kalaban yung Lord guys. Pero dito guys, babawi na tayo dito guys.
Test the might of my bullet.
Our turret is under attack.
Andito yung amat sa baba guys, kaya bibigyan ko na to guys. Sasama ko natin tong Zas guys. Pero yun, dumating yung Harley. Sakit ng Harley. Kaya yun, nabatay tayo dun.
An enemy has launched attack.
I feel a strange power coursing through my body. You can't get away. I detect the scent of prey.
Ally has been request backup.
Dito, another error na naman guys. Pumalagaw sa dalawa guys. Kaya yun, patay tayo dun. Dito naman guys, Lord fight na to guys. Dito, makukuha pa natin yung Lord dito guys. Mahagaw natin yaman yung Lord dito guys.
I am not alone in this
Launch
fight.
attack.
Ayun, akala ko ako nakakuha guys ng Lord guys. Pero yung Hanabi namin pa rin nakakuha guys. Pero ito hindi ko napapauwin tong Zas na to guys. Kanina pa yan eh. Dito guys. Patayin natin itong ML nila dito guys. Yung Clad guys. Maabdi natin yung Clad dito guys. Pero yun, napatayin natin yung Clad dito guys. Dito guys, nakuha ng hamon yung Lord guys. Pero ito na yung last clash ng game like guys. Dito na magtatapos yung laro guys. Panoorin nyo.
Launch attack.
Dito guys, last clash na to guys. Dito na magtatapos yung laro guys. Nice G.